This time last year, we were just finishing up our world trip in Europe and had visited our first ever European Christmas market. He basically told us it's all different kinds of pasta.
Good.
It's all good. Well, this year we're doing things a bit differently. Welcome to Colony Christmas here in Palmer, Alaska. We've just made it to downtown Palmer. There's supposed to be all different kinds of events throughout the day.
I think I found our next one.
Sleigh rides!
Tractor ride.
We found some sled dog puppies.
He's so calm.
He's so chill. My buddy.
We're missing him.
Hi. He's like, can I go back now?
Yeah. He looks so cold.
Oh, is he cold? Oh, buddy.
He's like, hey.
He's so chill.
He's so quiet.
So apparently the guy we just talked to finished the Iditarod in 23rd place in 2020, and then he's running again next year. So pretty crazy that here in Alaska you can just meet people who've like been in the Iditarod and crazy things like that.
So we found a place for free hot cocoa and a hot apple cider. And guys, hot chocolate.
Next up is the stocking stuffer station. Don't know what it is, but we're gonna find out. So they did have a station where you could write some letters to Santa, but it was pretty full of kids, so we felt a little awkward doing that. On to the next stop.
Colony Museum.
Good job.
Babies. Someone asleep.
Can't allow people to go in and shut the door and then.
That was probably one of the most interesting experiences we've had so far. They had cookies though, so that was nice. We're going to the United Protestant Presbyterian Church.
Say that 5 times fast.
Doesn't look like there's anything in here.
I don't know. You finally getting a cookie?
Yeah, these look really good. They had some really fun crane making downstairs too. Tyler struggled.
Deborah already knows how, but I'm gonna learn.
Lift the ring up.
Alright.
And the inside, you're gonna open the inside first.
Okay.
Alright. I messed up. Like this?
Yeah.
And then it should naturally kind
You
of
did
I
it.
did it.
Good
It's
job.
not great looking.
Cute. That looks great.
What time is it?
Turns out we were just in time for the church's handbell concert.
We just like ringing bells and we do our best. With that in mind, we hope you enjoyed some of the sounds of the seasons.
We found out that there is supposed to be a really nice holiday parade tonight at 5 p.m., which, yes, in Alaska at that time it'll probably be pitch black. Until then, we're gonna hopefully find some food because we haven't eaten yet today. Alright, just kidding. It turned out it was more of a kids coloring place than actual food.
I'm very sad because I'm getting hangry.
He is getting kind of hangry. Food's gonna have to wait because we found the wagon rides. Sleigh rides? Wagon rides? Front row seats. It'll be a blast.
Ready? Here we go.
It's a bit snowy. That was fun. We saw the prison. We're gonna take this actually back to one of the other stops because we saw some reindeer and that way we don't have to walk. We actually saw some reindeer last weekend when we were in Fairbanks and we went on a really epic reindeer walk. So it doesn't really compare, but still pretty cool. So our plan to find some food kind of got tossed aside when we heard about the reindeer, but we've done a little bit of shopping. There's been a few bazaars going on, and now we're finally on our way to go get some food. We ended up coming to Vagabond Blues, which is one of the restaurants here in downtown. We got 2 grilled cheeses, one with soup and one with chips.
Tyler's hungry. Wow.
It has pesto in it. So good. And it's finally time for the main event of the whole day, the Christmas light parade.
The hot chocolate froze. No hot chocolate.
No matter what.
We've already got our spots here. Tyler went to the car, grabbed our blanket, some chairs, and we are so ready for the parade to start. Now hopefully none of you will be receiving coal this year, and even though our next video won't be out for a few weeks into 2025, all we really wanted to say was that we hope you have the most wonderful time celebrating the holidays, and hopefully in 2025 you'll be able to accomplish all your goals and dreams, even if it's something as simple as petting a chicken.
I've never petted a chicken in my life. I have.
Chicken to pet.